check this out. Up here. You have a secret camera for facial and license plate recognition. This is your light bar. You have another little hidden camera right there. But check this out. At the back. You ready? Look at this. You have a rescue drone with thermal imaging built in right there. That is crazy. All right, up here. Fire extinguisher. And we can actually pull all of this out. This is for traffic control.